Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided that year 2019 will be more organized year for me, and I will be working on organizing myself, my time, and of course how it can be done without organizing our house. So in today's video I'm working on organizing under the kitchen sink cabinet. I hope it will give you some cleaning motivation and ideas. I really love how it turned out and I'm so excited to share with you. And today's video is in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube, Courtney. She is a mom of 2 boys, 3 years and 8 months old, and today she is also organizing under her kitchen sink cabinet. You'll find the links to her channel and the video in the description box. And please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. And without further ado, let's get organizing! Okay, so here is a real view of my under the sink cabinet, absolutely unorganized. And usually we keep dishwasher pads, some laundry products, trash bags and cleaning supplies in it. First I'm taking everything out and I have a trash bag next to me, so if I see product that I definitely will never use, I'm throwing them into the trash bag. As you can see, I have an empty box there, old gloves that I definitely will not use, and what is this serving spoon doing there? This cabinet needs to be decluttered so bad. After emptying the cabinet, I'm giving it a good wipe. Everything is dusty in cabinet, doors definitely need some wipe too. I found this waterproof under the sink mat at Target, and I'm going to measure, cut and line the cabinet with this mat. I decided to use the dark color for the mat so it has more clean look over the time. Okay, let's start organizing. I have this 2-tire sliding cabinet basket and I decided to keep dishwasher pods, some stovetop cleaning sprays, furniture touch-up markers and sponges in it. And I will keep dishwasher detergent pods in their original packaging. It's just easy for me and works very well. And I also have these gray baskets. I got them from Marshall. They were pack of 3 for $7 I believe. And on this one I will put product that I use rarely, maybe once a month, like stove cleaner, so I'm putting it in a far corner of the cabinet. I want all frequently used products to be in the front. As for the right side of the cabinet, I decided to divide it to 2 levels by using this square cabinet shelf. Under this cabinet shelf, I'm putting this gray basket with some steel wool sponges and small garbage bags. And on the top of it, I'm putting my favorite basket. I found it at Marshall's and it is actually a shower basket. But I'm going to store all cleaners and cleaning supplies like disinfecting wipes, sponges, washed clothes in it. And I like that it has a handle so I can carry it around the house while cleaning. Next is the over the cabinet organizer. I ordered from Amazon and I like that it has 2 sections, so on the top of it I'm going to store some washed clothes and big trash bag roll at the bottom. Before, the trash bags were always in the boxes and were taking too much space, so I'm very happy with this solution. In order to not to lose the gloves, and actually I use them often, I thought it would be great to have some hooks on the cabinet doors and have gloves there. So I have two hooks, one for the gloves and the second one for the brush, which turned out perfect. Now everything has its own space and it is not cluttered. And the most exciting part is not just that it looks nice, but everything is very easy accessible. And I'm happy how it turned out. Hope you liked the results and it gave you some motivation to start organizing and cleaning. Please give this video a thumbs up, join me on this journey, subscribe and hit notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. And don't forget to check out Courtney's Under the Sink cabinet organization video. You'll find links to her channel and the video in the description box below. And I see you soon. Bye!